ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to the DBMS questions. Yes, I know, I am back again as well. I know, and it is raining heavily. Yeah, I know, it rains a lot around here in this town, so Anyways, welcome back again to another question set. Today we're going to be doing the questions at 9. It's going to be a lot similar to the previous question set, but it's a bit different. But before we go anything, this is actually going to be a lot shorter video because most of the questions in this one is actually already been done. So it's all right. So without further ado, let's get to the questions. Alright, so here we are, the questions at 9. As you can see, we have everything right here. So the description here says, to facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software, which uses the following table to store the data in that software computer. Answer the questions asked in this table. So we got the customer table and the product table. So if you guys can remember in the previous video, we did already make these tables in our previous question set. So of course we're not going to be doing the first question. It says create a database in the admin shop to save data in the mobile phone shop. We already did this in the previous question set. If you didn't see it, go back and check it. Create a table as the customer and product. We already did that. Add data graphics to the tables you have created. Yeah, we already all done that as well. So we already done those parts. So without doing all of those, let's go to the fourth question. Alright, so the fourth question here, it says, find a mobile phone whose brand is Huawei, priced less than 40,000. So this one is quite easy. We have to go here. Go here down to the query, move this. Of course, now we have to type select all from product we'll give this a where attribute. And now the column name, brand name. And now we we give it an equal sign and write the brand what we're looking for, which is Huawei. For sure that's how it's spelled. Close this in. Of course we give it the and the price should be less than 40,000. Price is alright, there you go. Less than 40,000. There we go. We'll give this a semicolon and now we'll run this. And boom! There we go. As you can see, we did get the some details of the Huawei phones that are less than 40,000, which is the Huawei Wi-Fi, which is only 25,000 rupees. If you go down here, go back to data, and hang on, go to the product table. Right here, as you can see, the Huawei, there are two Huawei phones, and the Huawei Wi-Fi is the only one which is the less than 40,000. The other one is like 45,000, which is more than 40,000. So now that we're done with that, let's go to the next question. Alright, so the next question here, it says, look for customers whose gender is female. Right, of course, we'll go ahead here and type in the query. Now, this one is quite different. You have to type in customers. Now, this isn't from the product table. This should be from the customer table. So, select from the customer table. Customer. We'll give it the where attribute. And of course, now we give it the gender, say, column, gender. Now we equal it to female. Done. And now if we put a semicolon, and now we run this, we get all the details of the female customers here. As you can see, we have the customers of all the female ones. If we go to the customer table and we go to its data, you can see that there's only two female customers. As you can see, these two, and they're the only ones whose data has appeared. So that was a success. Now that we're done with that question, let's go to the next one. Alright, so the final question here, it says, find the details of the product whose branding is in Vivo. So basically they're telling us to find the Vivo brand phones. Alright, so let's go over here. We remove the customer table. This time we have to use the product table again. Product, we give it the where attribute. Next we give it the column name, which is brand name. Alright, now we're done there. We give it the details we need. We need Vivo. So I'm guessing Vivo right here. There we go. Put this right here. Now when I execute this, boom! I get all the Vivo products. All the details are given right here. So if we go to, now there are 3 products right here of Vivo. Now if I go down here, there's 1, 2, and 3 Vivo products in this table. And as you can see, all those product details were given here. Alright, so now that we're done with that question, let's go to the end of the video. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is all we have for today. Yeah, it's a pretty short video compared to all the rest of the question classes we had. Of course, most of the questions were already done in the previous question set, so that's pretty much why we didn't really have a lot of time doing this. So that's pretty short video, that's why. So of course, that's all we have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.